Habari, you must be happy to know that we have now a new office in Tanzania and it is located at room 307, 3rd floor National Housing Corporation, NHC, Old Dar es Salaam Road, Morogoro, Tanzania.
Language is nor a barrier, and Bottomline Phonetic Speech Laboratory has been installing a modern language laboratory with state-of-the-art audiovisual equipment in schools, colleges and universities since 1998, not only in the Philippines but also overseas, to aid teachers in imparting and developing language skills. It already has had installed more than 100 speech laboratories both in private and public schools in the Philippines. It also has had installed 5 speech laboratories in Tanzania, East Africa, mostly at the schools under the Vocational Education and Training Authority VETA. VETA Mtwara, VETA Lindi, VETA Mikumi, Arusha Technical College, Mwanza Vocational Training College. And it is also expanding towards Ghana and other African countries, the countries in the Middle East, the member countries of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN. The Phonetic Speech Laboratory proves beneficial for those students who are poor in the use of the English language. It aims at confidence building among students for interactions and presentations in English. The main objectives of the language laboratory are: 1. To equip the students with good communication skills. 2. To emphasize the need of English in the technical world. 3. To prepare them for interviews and future job environments. 4. To train the students in the art of conversation and discussion. Phonetic Speech Laboratory is useful to enrich a student's language learning experiences. This language lab is equipped with modeling tools that illustrates how sounds are produced and articulated, based on the International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA, backed with pronunciation exercises and has audio recording facilities which help a motive evaluation and feedback. By the self-study function, students can have self-evaluation of their pronunciation performance. They can identify the areas that need to be improved or changed. You also have full control of all the activities, and you can also make the final necessary evaluation of your students' pronunciation performance and introduce remedial measures to areas that you detect that need to be improved.
Contact Aronjay Katochu at Sifari, Tano, Sita, Tisha, Umbili, Tatu, Sita, Tisha, Sita, Nane, O, Sifari, Sita, Nay, Tatu, Umbili, Sifari, Tatu, Moja, Nane, or send email to katoshoprightpartners@gmail.com.